ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवत् व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतो वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारम् प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। नत्वा श्रीभारती तीर्थविद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरो
नत्वा श्री भारती तीर्थ
भारती तीर्थ
विद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरौ
विद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरौ
अधीमहे पञ्चदशीं कैवल्यपदसिद्धये।
अधीमहे पंचदशी
कैवल्यपदसिद्धये।
कैवल्यपदसिद्धये।
पंचकोश विवेक प्रकरणे चतुर्थ श्लोकः। पूर्वजन्मन्यसन्नेत जन्म संपादयेत् कथम्।
पूर्वजन्मन्यसन्नेतज्जन्म सम्पाद्ये कथम्।
भावि जन्मन्यसन् कर्म न भुञ्जीते संचितम्।
भावि जन्मन्यसन् कर्म न भुञ्जीते संचितम्।
आचार्यः विद्यारण्यमुनिः प्रत्येकं कोशं नीत्वा आत्मा न इति वदति। प्रथमतः देहः अन्नमयकोशः आत्मा न भवति इति उच्यते। अनित्यत्वात् देहः आत्मा न भवति। आत्मा देहात् विलक्षणः, कोशेभ्यः विलक्षणः आत्मा। प्रथमतः अन्नमयकोशेभ्यः विलक्षणः आत्मा। देहः अन्नमयः, अन्नमयकोशः आत्मा न भवति। आत्मा नित्यत्वात्, देहः अनात्मा नित्यत्वात्। प्राक् नास्ति, ऊर्ध्वं च नास्ति। प्राक् च ऊर्ध्वं च अभावतः इति हेतोः देहः आत्मा न भवति। यदि देहः आत्मा भवति, यदि देहः, तर्हि पूर्वजन्मनि यः देहः वर्तते सः नास्ति। आगामि जन्मनि यः देहः वर्तते तत्तु उपादानं विना जायते। देहस्य उत्पत्तिः उपादान कारणं विना कथं जायते। पूर्वजन्मनि यत् कर्मं कृतं, यदि देहः आत्मा भवति, पूर्वजन्मनि यत् कर्म कृतं तस्य नाशः, विप्रनाशः भवति। तदेव कृत विप्रनाशः इति दोषः। कर्म, पूर्वकृत कर्मणः, पूर्वकृत कर्म फलं कर्मफलम् अनुभवं विना एव नश्यति। देहः आत्मा भवति चेत् तद्वत् अद्य अस्मिन् जन्मनि कृतकर्म यदि देहः आत्मा भवति तदपि नाशः भवति। तथा च अभ्यागम, कृत अभ्यागम दोषः अपि अस्ति। कृत हानिः, कृत विप्रनाशः इति एकः दोषः। यत् कर्म कृतं तस्य अनुभवं विना नाशः कृत विप्रनाशः। कृत अभ्यागमः, मया न कृतं कर्म किन्तु उपादानं कर्म विना यदि देहः जायते तर्हि कृत अभ्यागम दोषः वर्तते। अतः देहः आत्मा न भवति इति सिद्धम्। पूर्वजन्मनि कृत कर्मानुसारं पापपुण्ययोः फलानुसारम् आगामि जन्मनि देहः जायते। अतः देहः यदि नश्यति, देहः आत्मा भवति, देहः नश्यति, देह नाशने आत्मनाशः भवति। अतः देहः आत्मा न भवति। यदि देहः आत्मा भवति तर्हि कृतविप्रनाशः, कृत अभ्यागमदोषः, दोषद्वयं भवति। अतः देहः आत्मा न भवति इति। The karma which is done just gets exhausted without experiencing. If deha is atma, krita vipranasha, krita hani. That is one dosha. If deha is atma. Another dosha is the deha what I enjoy now. Deha must have karma, upadana karma. The reason, hetu. Hetu is upadanam. Purva karma, janma krita karma. Palam अस्मिन् जन्मनि देहरूपेण भवति। यदि देहः आत्मा, पूर्वजन्म कृतं, there is no connection with पूर्वजन्म. So in this janma I have a body without a reason. and body is not all perfect with a lot of deformities. There are differences. Why there are differences? You have to account for the differences. The differences cannot just be a natural cause. There is nothing without karanam. Karanakarya sambandha vina kimapi nasti jagati. Therefore, whatever I shariram or whatever I enjoy in this life, that is because of what I did before. So therefore, if Deha is Atma and this Janma, if I enjoy the karma, certain karma, good or bad, that is Krita Abhyagama Doshaha. Ataha Degaha Atmana Bhavati. Iti Siddham. Annamaya Koshaha Atmana Bhavati. Annamaya Kaha iti Riche Tadapi Uktam. Pitrabhukta Dannat Jatat Viryat Jataha Annamaya Koshaha. Annena Yuvardate Anurupa Prativyam Ante Praviliyate Annamayaha. Annamaya Koshaha Jadaha Anatmatvat Atmana Bhavati. Atma Nityaha Anatma Degaha Binnaha Vilakshanaha Atma iti Nishchitam Bhavati. Agrima Shloke Panchama Shloke Atma Pranamaya Koshaha Na Bhavati iti Acharyena Uttamasti. Tashlokam Patamaha Purno Deghe Balam Yachan Nakshanam Yaf Pravartakaha.
पूर्णो
देहे बलं यच्छन् रक्षाणां प्रवर्तकः
Vayuh Pranamayo Nasavatma Chaitanyavarjanat.
वायुः प्राणमयो नासात्मा चैतन्यवर्जनात्
Chaitanyavarjanat na aso atma aso adashabdasya rupam aso amu ami aso atma kaha aso pranamayaha vayu pranamaya koshaha atmana bhavati. Chaitanya varjana chaitanya abhavat purnaha degaha sampurna degaha आपाद मस्तकम व्याप्तः पूर्णः देगः बलम यच्छन् नक्षाणाम् का संहिता कः संधिः यच्छन् अक्षाणाम् यमोरस्वात् अचिङ्यमुट् नित्यम् इति सूत्रेण नुट् आगम नुट्टाहं कृत्वा यच्छन् अक्षाणाम् न तु यच्छन् नक्षाणाम्. नक्षाणाम् इति किमपि पदं नास्ति. अक्षाणाम् अक्ष इत्युक्ते चक्षुः इत्यर्थः. अक्षाणाम् इति इन्द्रियाणां चक्षुरादीनाम् इन्द्रियाणाम् इत्यर्थः. बलं यच्छन् इन्द्रियाणां बलं यच्छन् यः प्रवर्तकः वायुः सः आत्मा न भवति. चैतन्यवर्जनात् इति हेतोः. अतः प्राणमयकोशः आत्मा न भवति. प्राणमयः वायुः प्राणमयः देहः अन्नमयः. लक्षणम् of pranamaya is vayu tattva. Pranamaya kosha is lakshanam of pranamaya kosha is vayu tattva. Vayuhu Pranamayah. Prana is the quality of Vayu. Vayu is born of Rajoguna. Rajo Amsha, Rajoguna, Rajo Amsha of all the elements put together. Akasha, Vayu, Agnihi, Apaha, Prithvi. Rajas Amsha of all the elements put together results in Vayu. So Rajas stands for action, activity. Therefore, Vayu Pradhanatvam is there in movement, Gati, motion, and power, Shakti. Gati also requires Shakti. Therefore, Prana stands for action, stands for energy. Therefore, Vayu Pravartakaha. Vayu is the activator, activates everything. Vayu activates everything. Akshanam balam echan. Akshanam aksh dhatu, akshu iti udit dhatu, vyapto ityartaha, akshu, aksh plus ach pratyaya, aksha, indriya ityartaha. Akshanam, akshi, akshini, akshini, kena upanishriya pridishtam, esha akshini purushaha iti. Chakshurindriyam. किंतु अक्षाणाम इति इंद्रियाणाम अत्र न तु केवलं चक्षुरिंद्रियम चक्षुरादि इंद्रियाणाम सर्वेन्द्रियाणाम अक्षाणाम सेंस ऑर्गन्स ऑल द सेंस ऑर्गन्स not only eyes balam echan giving balam strength power make them act sense organs themselves cannot act they should have energy. That is why sense organs slowly diminish when energy is not there. When food is not taken, energy is not there. Therefore, sense organs slowly loses its sharpness, function, power. Therefore, balam echan. So, giving strength to all the sense organs. Jnanendriyam va, jnanendriyani va, karmendriyani va. All the sense organs. All the sense organs are activated. So, therefore, prana is the form of energy, and that energy is taken from the food. Because of prana, the sense organs act. Therefore, balam echan, akshanam balam echan, yaha vayu pravartakaha, dege purnaha. Dehe purnaha means vyaptaha ityartaha. Pervades the entire shariram. Yahavayu vayu purne dehe. Dehe vyaptaha. Purnaha vyaptaha ityartha. Dehe vyaptaha. Vyaptva akshanam balam echan. Yaha vayu pravartaka bhavati. Saha pranamayaha. The pranamaya definition is given by the author. Having given so atma iti. Dehe padadi mastaka paryantam. Purna dehe vyaptaha san. Kim karoti vayuhu balam dadati. Balam ecchati. Akshanam. Purna dehe vyaptaha. Katam vyaptaha. Pranaha, apanaha, vyanaha, udanaha, samanaha iti. Panchaprana rupehi vyaptaha. Panchaprana. Ataha pranadi rupaha vayu pravartakaha bhavati. Balam echan indriyanam. Balam echan pravartakaha bhavati. Vayu eva jnanendriyebhyaha karmendriyebhyaha balam shaktim dadati ecchati. अतः कर्मेन्द्रियैः सह सहितः प्राणः प्राणमयकोशः इति अस्माभिः पूर्वं दृष्टं. कर्मेन्द्रियैः सह प्राणः प्राणमयकोशः, ज्ञानेन्द्रियैः सह मनः मनोमयकोशः. अयम् आत्मा, अयं प्राणमयकोशः आत्मा इति केचित् वदन्ति, किन्तु प्राणमय कोशः तु वायुः एव अनात्मा एव अनात्मत्वात् जडत्वात् आत्मा न भवति आत्मा तु चेतनः अतः चैतन्यवर्जनात् प्राणमयः आत्मा न भवति इति हेतोः प्राणमयस्य आत्मत्वं निषिध्यते यच्छन् इस् शत्रन्तरूपं यच्छन्तो यच्छन्तः all the physiological functions come under pranamaya, but pranamaya is jadam, therefore chaitanya varjitam means varjanat varjitam, free from. Pranamaya has no chaitanya varjanat, devoid of chaitanya varjanat asau vayuhu pranamayaha atmana bhavati. Prana is not sentient, it is not conscious, it is jadam, insentient. Suppose if it is sentient, conscious, then when you sleep, if prana is conscious, when you sleep, prana doesn't stop. Prana stops, then life is over. In sleep also prana functions. Only mind goes into the sleep state, dormant state. Prana functions. That's why there is breathing. So if prana is conscious, then in the sleep, if anyone touches you or beats you, you are aware of it. You should be aware of it, but it doesn't happen. If you are sleeping, then no actions can take place around you without your awareness. No theft can take place. The person is sleeping means is aware. So therefore, no theft also can take place. But it is not so. Theft to take place when the person sleeps. The thief knows that the person is sleeping, is not aware. So therefore, prana is inert, jadam only, bhutakaryam eva. Bhutakaryatvat, bhutani, jadani. Bhutakaryatvat, jadam eva. Rajomsha, panchabhutanam rajomshat, utpannaha, pranaha. Therefore, jadam, bhutakaryam eva. Bhutakaryatvat, jadam eva. All the products of elements are inert. Pranamaya is inert. It is devoid of chaitanyam. Bhautikatvat, bhutakaryatvat, pranamayaha atmana bhavati. Gatavat, yata gataha, jadaha, tadvat gatavat. Gata is also put together. Bhutakaryam, bhutakaryatvat, yata gataha, jadam bhavati. Gataha jadaha bhavati. Tadvat pranamaya koshaha api jadaha eva. Gata is inert. Why? Because it is bhutakaryatvat. Prithvi, clay is inert. Clay is jadam, therefore pot is jadam. Being achetana, clay is achetana, therefore the karanam is achetana, karya, the gata is also achetana. Bhutani achetana, bhutakaryatvat, bhutikatvat, asau pranamaya koshaha atmana bhavati. Therefore, this is one reason. Another thing is, pranamaya is vikari. Pranamaya is subject to change. Body changes, pranamaya also changes. But atma is nirvikari. Therefore, pranamaya kosha is not atma iti siddham. टीका एवं अन्नमय कोशस्य अनात्मत्वं प्रदर्श्य प्राणमय कोशस्य स्वरूपं तत् तदनात्मत्वं तस्य अनात्मत्वं तदनात्मत्वं च दर्शयति. Simple. Having presented the anatmatvam of the annamaya kosha, now Pranamaya koshasya swarupam lakshanam swarupam at sanatma is shown by the author Acharya Granthakaraha Vidyanamanihi Darshayati shows. Purna iti. Yaha Vayuhu Deghe Purnaha Padadi Mastaka Pariyantam. Starting from the feet up to the head. Vyaptaha. What Vyaptaha Vayuhu? Vayohu Sanchalanam Asti. Sampurna Dehe. Vyaptaha San Bhalam Yachan gives Bala. Vyana Rupena. Vyanam is also a form of prana only. Vyana Rupena Samartyam capability Prayachan. Prakarshena Yachan giving. Akshanam. Akshanam is Chakshuradinam Indriyanam to the Indriyas. Chakshuhu Adihi Yesham Indriyanam iti. Chakshuradi Indriyanam Pavartakaha Prerakaha initiator, activator. Vartate Saha Vayuhu Pranamayaha iti uchyate. That is the definition of Pranamaya. Aso Api Atmana Bhavati Asavapyatmana Bhavati. Tatra Hetu Maha. What is the Hetu? Just like that, we cannot say it is not Atma. Should give the reason. Chaitanya iti, Chaitanya Varjanat iti. Vivada Adhyasitaha Pranaha Atmana Bhavati. The Prana which is Adhyasita and Atma, that is the discussion here. That is not Atma. Jadatvat, because it is Jadam Gata Divat iti Bhavaha, like a Gata. Therefore, Pranamaya Kosha is not Atma. Then what is the next Kosha? Annamaya ruled out. Pranamaya is also ruled out. Ruling out, that is why it is Kosha Viveka Prakaranam. Koshas are na iti dismissed. Having dismissed all that which cannot dismiss, that is you. You cannot dismiss yourself. That is you. Then it means these are all not me. These are all come and go. Agama painaha, but I don't come and go. I am there forever. Sharire nashte aham na nashtaha bhavati kadapi. Sharira agamane mama agamanam na bhavati. Aham asti sada aham asmi sada bhami. I always there. I don't come and go. Aham asmi. And aham asmi sada bhami. Also shine. Aham asmi sada bhati. Saka bhami. Sada bhami kadachin naham apriyaha. Brahmaivaha matas siddham Satchidananda lakshanam. Iti in Advaita Grantha, Lakshmidhara beautifully says. So, Brahmaivaham iti. Therefore, this Agamapai cannot be Atma. Now, the next kosha is Manomayaha. Let us read. Ahantam mamatam dehe gehadau chakaroti yaha.
अहन्तां ममतां देहे गेहादौ च करोति यः
Kamadhyavastaya bhranto nasavatma manomayaha.
कामाद्यवस्थया भ्रान्तो नासात्मा मनोमयः
Ahantam mamatam tam tal pratyaya, not tasil. That's what we were saying. Tadita. Tal pratyaya. Tasya bhavahat tatalau. Ahantvam mamatvam. Ta is ta yojagitva. Tal pratyam yojagitva strilinge. Ahanta mamata iti rupani. Like gatata. Another pratyaya is tva pratyaya. Tvam yojagitva gatatvam napumsakalinga. So ahantam. Ahantam is agamiti abhimanam. Abhimanatam. Similarly, mamatam. Mamatam is madiyam. My belongs to me. Madiyam iti abhimanam. That is mamata. So ahanta mamata. Gehado. Geha is griha. Geha griha. Grihado. Ahanta mamatam dehe. Deha is also a nice word. From the dig dhatu. Digyate iti degaha. Dig meaning upachaye. Tasya upachayanam bhavati. That undergoes change, decay. Dahana yogyatvat api degaha. So dehe, ahanta mamatam dehe. Sarvesham ahamiti dehe ahamiti. You have to connect like that. Deha is me and geha is mine. Me and mine. Ahantam should be connected to dehe. Mamatam should be connected to geha. Griha. House, etc. belongs to me and I is this deha. Iti abhimanam. Dehe ahantam iti abhimanam. Gehadu grihadishu. Mama iti abhimanam. Sarvesham asti eva. Abhimanam yaha karoti. Yaha karoti saha manomayaha iti. Yaha karoti saha manomayaha. So what is manomaya kosha? Manomaya kosha is gehe ahantam iti buddhihi. Mama gehado mamatam iti buddhihi. Yasya asti saha atava yaha karoti saha manomaya koshaha. Before that, here we can see the author, the manaha, antakarnam. Antakarnam it divides into two parts, two amsha. Vritti amsha and vrittiman amsha, vrittimat amsha. Vritti amsha and vrittimat. Vrittimat is the one who has vritti. Vritti amsha, vrittimat amsha. Vrittiman, vrittimanto, vrittimanta, vrittimat amsha. Two amshas. That which constitutes all types of vritti. That is one part, one amsha. The other part is the one who is the owner of all the vrittis, to whom all the vrittis occur, who is the owner of all the vrittis, is vrittimat. So vritti amsha and vrittimat amsha. Now that vritti amsha is what is called by the Granthakara here as the mind, manomayaha. There are so many vrittis. One of the vritti is aham vritti. The vritti amsha, which is called antakarnam, and one of the vritti is aham vrittihi, ahantam. That ahantam, aham vritti is placed in the shariram, the deha. Therefore, ahantam dehe, the sense of I-ness is in the shariram, in the body, ahantam dehe. The vritti, aham vritti, vritti amsha of the person, and there are many vrittis. Among the vrittis, the aham vritti is placed in the shariram, ahantam dehe. And mamatam is mamatam geghadau. Another vritti is mamatam, minus the sense of possession. It is in the form of mama vritti. Mama vritti, that is geghadau, mamatam. So aham vritti are the vritti that belong to vritti amsha. Vritti amsha is karana amsha. Karana amsha means antakarana amsha, part of the antakarana. With the help of that vritti alone, I contact the world and therefore I do transaction with the world. With the help of the vritti. Vritti means the mind. Therefore, the mind has to be there behind the sense organs. Through sense organs, I interact with the world. It means the sense organs backed up by the mind. So antakarna vritti is the cause for indriya pravritti. Otherwise, how indriya will function? Indriya should be backed up by the mind. Otherwise, there cannot be any indriya pravritti. Indriyas function only in the presence of the mind. Therefore, antakarna vritti is the karanam, is a hetu, is a karanam for indriya pravritti. Then, this vritti amsha, this antakarna vritti amsha is a means for contacting the world that is called manomaya. Therefore, that manomaya, aso manomaya, atmana bhavati. Why? Because vrityatmakam manaha, katam atma bhavitum argati, na bhavati. And in the second line, कामादि अवस्थया भ्रांतः कामादि अवस्थया कामादीनाम अवस्था आदि पदार्थ काम क्रोध लोभ मोह इत्यादयः काम आदिः येषां ते इति कामादीनाम अवस्था कामाद्यवस्था कामाद्यवस्थया अवस्था श्रीलिंगतया कामादि अवस्थया काम क्रोधादि नाम भ्रांतः काम क्रोधादि नाम आश्रयस्थानं मनः. Whereas this kama krodadi, the vritti, kamadi avastaya bhrantaha, deluded due to the vrittis like kama, etc., kama krodha, it is shadripuhu. Because there is abhimana with this vritti, therefore the mind is deluded. The mind, therefore, because of this vritti, kamadi, because of kama, etc., therefore there is constant change in the vritti. Kama krodadinam ashrayasthanam manaha. And kama krodha, that also in the form of the vritti. And they continuously change. Therefore there is change in the vritti, change of the mind. There is change of mind. Mind changes. Not only kama krodadi, even good guna also. Not kevalam durgunanam ashrayasthanam, sadgunanam api ashrayasthanam. Manasi sarvada durgunaha na vartante. Kadachit sadgunaha api vartante eva. Ataha sadguna, durguna, rupa, vikaraha manasi vartante. Ataha manaha vikari. Therefore manaha is vikari, subject to change. We can derive one hetu. Kamadi avastaya bhrantaha. Not always the person is bhrantaha. Sometimes because of the kamadi avastha is bhrantaha, deluded. Kamadi is durguna. There may be some sadguna also. Both, the person is a mixture of both. So therefore, these changes, therefore manaha is vikaraha, the vritti undergoes change, the mind undergoes change, antakaranam undergoes change, therefore vikaraha. Vikaritvad atmana bhavati. Why? Atma is nirvikari. Chaitanyam is nirvikari. Na vidyate. Doesn't break, doesn't change. That's why it is Sambhiti eka na vidyate. The very first chapter we saw. Sambhiti eka na vidyate. Therefore manomaya atmana bhavati. Kamadi avasthayam bhrantaha. Therefore the mind has got some aniyata sabhava. There is no nishchita sabhava. Because of kamadi etc. It undergoes bhranti. Therefore vikaritvat degavat kamadi avasthaya bhrantaha manomaya koshaha atmana bhavati. Yata deha has got the 6 vikara, shadbhava vikara. Similarly, my manomaya also undergoes change. Here the change in the form of the vritti vikara. So Vikara is therefore cannot be Atma. Because Atma doesn't undergo any change and mind always undergoes change. Mind has to undergo change. In every interaction there is change happening in the mind. That is vritti, vikara. Transaction is possible because of vritti vikara. That is why we say we cannot stop the mind. Therefore, chitta vritti nirodha is regulation, not stopping, cessation. Mind is nothing but thoughts. We can regulate the thoughts, we cannot stop the thoughts. It is not possible. Mano nashaha na sambhavati. Therefore, the very mind, when we say it is vikara rupa, vikara rupavat manaha. Therefore, na so atma na bhavati and manasaha niyata swarupam nasti iti etuna vikaritvat atmana bhavati. Atmani vikarasya abhavat. Anatmani अविकारित्वं नास्ति अतः अनात्मा अतः मनोमयः अनात्मा आत्मा न भवति टीका इदानीं मनोमय स्वरूप दर्शन पूर्वकं तस्यापि अनात्मत्वम् आह मनोमय कोशस्य स्वरूपस्य दर्शनं स्वरूपदर्शनं तत्पूर्वकम् having shown the Swarupa, the definition, the nature of what Manomaya Kosha is, Tasyapi Anatmatvam of Manomaya Kosha also is said by the author. The author says, Agantam iti. Dehe agantam aham bhavam aham iti abhimanaha. Grihadu mamatam iti. Mamatvam madiyatva abhimanam cha yaha karoti aso manomayah iti manomayas koshasya swarupam iti saha atmana bhavati kutaha au what is the yetu iti aha kasmat karnat kutaha is kasmat therefore yetu kamadi iti कामादि अवस्थया भ्रांतः हेतुगर्भं विशेषणं कामक्रोधादि वृत्तिमत्वेन नियत स्वभावत्वा अनियत स्वभावत्वात् not नियत मत्वेन अनियत स्वभावत्वात् इत्यर्थः हेतुगर्भ विशेषणं an adjective which has in its garbha the hetu. It's called hetu garbha visheshanam. Kamadi avastaya aniyata svabhatvat. Aniyata svabhatvam is a hetu. Aniyata svabhatvam. Why Manomaya Kosha is not ma? Because it doesn't have niyata svabha. How do you say kamadi avastha? Kamadi कामक्रोधादि वृत्तिमत्वेन अनियत स्वभावत्वात् therefore atma na bhavati manomaya koshaha. So the visheshanam, the hetu garbha visheshanam is adjective to the visheshya that has the hetu in its garbha, that has the hetu in it. It's called hetu garbha visheshanam. Many places we have seen hetu garbha visheshanam. Hetu garbha visheshanam. Therefore, manomaya kosha atma na bhavati vikaritva deghavatiti bhavaha. Because vikaritva, it has the status of being changing. Vikaritvam. Vikaraha asya astiti vikarin. Tasya bhavaha vikaritvam. Tasmat vikaritvat. So vikaritvat, that is the hetu. Vikaritvat atma manomaya kosha bhavati. The vikaritvam, what type of vikaritvam? Kamadi avastaya bhrantaha. Kamadi avastaya bhrantaha. So bhrantaha is a visheshanam for manomaya kosha. Manomaya kosha, the mind is bhrantaha, deluded. Bhrantaha manaha. Now this bhrantaha is the Hetu-garbha visheshanam. It is bhrantaha, the visheshanam, adjective, and it is called Hetu-garbha visheshanam. The Hetu is Kamadi avastha. Kamadi avastaya bhrantaha manomaya koshaha. Manomaya kosha is visheshya, bhrantaha is visheshanam, and the visheshanam as it's called Hetu-garbha visheshanam because it has a Hetu. Bhrantaha, delusion. Why? Because it has the Kamadi Krodha Vritti. Therefore, Bhrantaha. Kamadi Krodha Vrittimatvat. Vrittimatvena. Kamadi Kama Krodhadi Vritti Mantaha. Bhrantaha. Manomaya Koshaha. That's a Hetu-garbha visheshanam. Bhrantaha. Deluded. The mind is deluded. Deluded mind. What is the reason for delusion? Kamadi avastha. That is a hetu. Then the next kosha. Having dismissed Manomaya kosha as not Atma, now the author next he takes up after Manomaya kosha. The Vijnanamaya kosha should come. But here the author, he's taking Vijnanamaya kosha. Later he is going to combine the two. So Vijnanamaya kosha is the next thing which author takes up to dismiss as not Atma. Let us read. Lina suptau vapurbodhe vyapnuyadanakhagraha.
लीना सुप्तौ वपुर्बोधे व्याप्नुयादानकाग्रः
चिच्छायोपेतदीर्नात्मा विज्ञानमय शब्दभाग.
विज्ञानमय शब्दभाग.
And the words are sometimes frightening or difficult words. It's not difficult at all. Lina supto. Supto lina. Bodhe vapuhu. Vyapnuyat. Supto lina bhavati. Supno lina vapuhu bodhe vyapnuyat. Vyapnuyat ling lakara. Vyapnuyat. Anakhagraha. Anakha. Nakha is nail. Agra is end. Nakha agra. Up to the tip of the nail. Gachati iti ga. Anakhagraha. Like that, if you split understand the individual words, then we can make out. Then chichaya, chicha yopeta, chichaya upeta. Chichaya, chichayopeta. Chichaya upeta with chichaya upeta. Endowed with chichaya. Chichaya means chidavasa. Chaitanyam, which is reflected in the antakaranam, chidavasa, chichaya. Chaya is image, reflection of the chit. Dihi, buddhihi, na atma. It is vijnanamaya shabdabhak. Shabdabhak means bhajate. Vijnana shabdena uchyate. Uchyamana dihi atmana bhavati. So it's not difficult. So here, the author, he says, Chichaya upeta dihi. Dihi is buddhi. Antakarnasya अंतःकरणमेव बुद्धिः चित्तं बुद्धिः अहंकारः इति इति अहंकारः चित्तं मनः बुद्धिः इति अंतःकरणस्य वृत्ति अनुसारेण विविधा संज्ञा भवति. बुद्धिः इति अंतःकरणस्य एव संज्ञा. Antakaranam alone is called by the name buddhi. When it does a particular function, what function? Deciding function. Nishchayatmika buddhi. When the antakaranam is wavering, oscillating, then it is called manaha. When it firmly concludes, decides, then it is called buddhi. It is called ahankara. It is called chittam also. Chittam ahankara also included. So antakaranam ityukte buddhi. Antakaranasya buddhi iti buddhi iti namna api vyavahriyate antakaranam. Now this antakaranam is endowed with chichaya, chidabhasa. Antakaranam is jadam. Antakaranam is jadam. Therefore, this jada antakaranam, jadatvat, it cannot think, it cannot decide. Therefore, there is a reflection of the chaitanyam in the antakaranam. Therefore, there is a borrowed sentiency for the antakaranam, and therefore buddhi is functional. Buddhi as though is sentient. Therefore, chichaya upeta dihi, the dihi which is endowed with chidabhasa yukta buddhihi. That buddhi, chichaya upeta buddhihi, the buddhihi is dihi, the vrittiman, referring to the vrittiman, the one who has his buddhi. Chichaya upeta, endowed with chichaya, sandhi, chi plus cha, checha, vaida, therefore tukka hama. Chaya means abhasa. Therefore, chidabhasa upeta, chidabhasena upeta dihi. Chichayaya upeta dihi. Reflection of chaitanyam in the buddhi. That is called by the name Vijnana Shabdabhag. Vijnana Shabdabhag. Vijnanamaya Shabdena Uchyate. Shabdabhag. Bhag means endowed with. That got the meaning from the Bhajadhatu. Bhajate iti bhag. Endowed with Chaitanyam. Endowed with Chaitanyam. What is Antakaranam? That is called Vijnanamaya Koshaha. Therefore, Vijnanamaya Koshaha, Chichaya Upeta Dihi as is Vijnanamaya Koshaha. Buddhi endowed with reflected consciousness. Chidabhasa, Chichaya Upeta is called Vijnanamaya Koshaha. That is the definition of Vijnanamaya Kosha. What is Vijnanamaya Kosha? Chichaya upetadihi Vijnanamaya Koshaha. Vijnanamaya Shabdabhag. That is Vijnanamaya Koshaha. Now, this consciousness, this Chidabhasa, Bodhe Vapuhu Vyapnuyat. Bodhe, in the waking, Jagrata Avasthayam, Vapuhu is Shariram, Napumsakalinga, Vapuhu Vapushi, Vapumshi, Vapuhu Vapushi, Vapumshi. Therefore, Vapuhu, Bodhe Vapuhu Vyapnuyat, it pervades the body in the Jagrat Avasthayam, Vyapnuyat, Vapuhu. This Jagrat Avasthayam Vyapya Tishtati. This Chaitanya Upeta Dihi. Chaitanya Upeta Dihi is the Karta. So it pervades the Shariram in the Jagrat Avastha. Vapuhu Dvitiya Vrakti Ekavachanam. The Jagrata Avastha, this reflected consciousness pervades the Shariram. Shariram Vyapya. Nakagra. Anakagraha. Anakagraha. Anakagram Gachanti iti Anakagraha. Compound. Upapada Samasa. Anakagram. Nakasya. Nakayaha. Atau Naka. Nakasya agram. Nakagram. Tip of the Naka. Nakagram. Up to the tip of the Naka. The consciousness pervades. So, Anakagraha. Srilinga. Why? Because Dihi also Srilinga. Chichaya upeta Dihi Anakagraha Bodhe Jagratavastayam Vapuhu Vyapnuyat. Vyapnuyat pervades. Ling Lakara. So it's not Agnya Pratanadishu Ling. It's a statement. Vyapnoti ityartaha Vyapnuyat. So this Chaitanyam Chidabhasa pervades. Up to what? Anakagraha. Up to the tip of the finger. Up to the tip of the finger, at least nail. So it means Chidabhasa pervades the entire Shariram. Up to the nail. Nail means nail excluding. This Ang Maryada Abhivido. Remember, we have seen. Nail doesn't have consciousness. That's why nail can be cut. Like hair can be cut, nail can be cut. If that is also conscious, part of the Shariram, then you cannot cut. It cause pain. But we don't have pain when we cut the nail. Therefore, Maryada Abhivido, we have to exclude the Naka. Up to the Naka means excluding the Naka. Excluding the Naka, just before that, the Chaitanyam pervades Anaka Ram Gachanti iti Chidabhasa. So Chidabhasa pervades. And what will happen to this? The Chidabhasa, this Buddhi Chichaya Upeta Dihi Sushuptyavastayam Suptau Leena Bhavati. This Buddhi Chichaya Upeta Dihi Anakagraha Vapuhu Bodhe Jagratavastayam Vapuhu Vyapnuyat Suptau Sushuptyavastayam Leena Bhavati. It is resolves. It resolves during Sushupti Avastha. There is no sensation. That is why there is no sensation. What happened to this? It goes to Hridaya Akasha in sleep. It just resolves into Hridaya Akasha. In Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, in the Ajata Shatru Brahmana, it is mentioned. It goes to Hridaya Akasha in sleep. Saha Yeshaha Iha Pravishtaha Anakagrebhyaha iti Brihadaranyakam 147. So therefore, Sushupto Leena Bhavati Bodhe Vapuhu Vyapnuyat. This is not, therefore, this is also not Atma. Vijnana Maya Shabdabhak Vikaritvat Atmana Bhavati. Sushuptikale Layam Gacchati. Yam Chichaya Upetadihi Sushuptikale Layam Gacchati. Jagratavastayam Sampurna Shariram Vyapya Tishtati. Chichaya Buddhihi. Buddhihi Swataha Jada eva bhavati. Chaitanyasya pratibhimbena Chaitanyavati bhavati. Chaitanyavati iva bhavati. Not even Chaitanyavati. Chaitanyavati iva bhavati. What? This Buddhi. As though it has Chaitanyam. As though it is conscious. So therefore, Yam Buddhihi Jnanendrehi Sagita Yam Buddhihi Vijnanamaya Koshaha. Or in other words, Karta iti uchyate. It's called Karta. We have seen Vedanta Sara. Karta iti uchyate. Jnanendrehi Saha Yam Buddhihi Vijnanamaya Kosha Karta. Karmendrehi Saha Pranaha is Pranamaya Kosha. Then Manomaya Kosha is Manaha Indriya Manomaya Kosha. Manomaya Kosha Indriya Saha, that is, the next one is the next shloka the Acharya says. One is Karanam, other one is Karta. The Vritti, so the Vritti are called the Vritti and the Vritti Amsha. The Vritti Amsha, Vritti, I told Vritti Amsha and Vritti Mat Amsha. Vritti are called Manomaya Kosha because Vritti goes out. Vrittiman is Vijnanamaya Kosha. Vrittiman is Vijnanamaya Kosha. Vrittiman doesn't go out. Only Vritti goes out. For the Vritti to go out through the sense organs, there should be backup. That should be backup by the mind, support of the mind. Vritti goes out. That is Manomaya Kosha. What about Vrittiman? Vrittiman doesn't go out. Yeah, that Vrittiman has to stay in the Shariram. He is the one who sends out the Vritti and receives the data through the sense organs. So Vrittiman is Vijnanamaya Koshaha. That's why Chichaya Upetadihi, endowed with Buddhi, Dihi, Vrittiman. That's why Karta. That's why it's called Karta. So Karta Vijnanamaya Koshaha Bhavati. And Karta must be Atma? No. Because the Karta is not with regard to any particular action. That's not the same Kriya. Kadati, Gachati, Smarati, Vismarati, Davati, Bhinna Kriyam Karoti. Therefore, this Karta, the Vijnanamaya Koshaha, this Buddhi, Sagita Jnanendriyani, Jnanendriyanam, Kartrutvam Nasti. Kartrutvam, Eka Kartrutvam Asti. Tatu Abhasa Kartrutvam. Kartana Bhavati. Atma Kartana Bhavati. This Kartrutvam is, they also cannot be Karta because they are also Jara. The Kartrutvam is Abhasa. Therefore, Buddhi, because of Chichaya, Buddhi enjoy the status of being the Karta. That is why we say Karta. Atma is not Karta. Buddhi also, being Jada, how can it be Karta? Because of this Chichaya Upetadihi, therefore Karta, Vijnanamaya Koshaha, Karta Bhavati, but Kartrutvam also attributed to this Vijnanamaya Kosha. It's not to the Jada Buddhi. The Jada Buddhi, there is a Chaitanyam, reflection of Chaitanyam. The Buddhi, when it enjoys the status of being Chaitana, borrowed Chaitana, not Swataha Chaitanatvam Nasti Buddhehe. Therefore, it is Karta as though. It is as though Karta. That's why Chidabhasa, that word is important. Chichaya is important. Chichaya Upetadihi. That is why Chitta Jada Grantihi, we say. Chaitanyasya Atmanaha Kartrutvam Nasti. Atma cannot be Karta. Then this Jada Buddhi, how can that be a Karta? Jadatvat. That also Kartrutvam Kevalayaha Buddhehe api Jadatvat Kartrutvam na Sambhavati. Then this Kartrutvam, from where it comes, that is why it is Mithya Kartrutvam. Because it doesn't belong to Atma, and Anatma also cannot be Karta. Then from where this Kartrutvam? That is why it's subject to go. Now this Vijnanamaya Kosha, which is nothing but Buddhi, along with the sense organs, as a sense of Kartrutvam, that is called Vijnanamaya Kosha Karta iti uchyate. When we analyze the Vijnanamaya Kosha, this cannot be really Karta also. Therefore, there is no Karta. It is Mithya. Anyway, that comes later. But now the definition here is given. Chichaya Upetadihi Karta Bhavati, Vijnanamaya Kosha Bhavati. That also cannot be Atma. Why cannot be Atma? Because it undergoes change. जागृतावस्थायां वपुः व्याप्नोति सुषुप्तौ लीना भवति अतः विकारित्वात् आत्मा न भवति। टीका अनन्तरं कर्तृशब्दवाच्यस्य विज्ञानमयस्य टीकाकार says कर्तृशब्दवाच्यस्य विज्ञानमयस्य. So word karta what we use refers to the vijnanamaya kosha. Vijnanamaya kosha is jada, can be karta. That is why chichaya upeta dihi is important. The buddhi which has a borrowed sentiency, that is called karta, that is vijnanamaya kosha. So vijnanamayasya swarupam pradarshayan tad anatmatvam tasya anatmatvam darshayati. Pradarshayan, then nakara, repanuswara sandhi, naschavya prashan, sandhi pradarshayan तस्य अनात्मत्वं दर्शयति लीना इति। या चिच्चायोपेतादिः चिच्चायया उपेतादिः चिदाभासयुक्ता बुद्धिः। चिच्चायोपेता is equal to चिदाभासयुक्ता, endowed with chit abhasa, reflection of chaitanya. The antakaranam, it's called buddhi, which is endowed with reflected consciousness. So supti kale leena vilina sati bodhe jagarana kale. Bodhe is equal to jagarana kale, jagrata avasthayam anakagra paryantam vartamana sati saptami sati vapugu shariram vyapniyat samvyapya, having pervaded, vartate sa विज्ञानमय शब्दभाग। विज्ञानमय शब्देन उच्यमाना असौ अपि आत्मा न भवति, which is called by the name Vijnanamaya Kosha, that is also not Atma. Why? Vilayadi avastatvad gatadivat vilayadhyavastatvad vilayam vilinam, then again it resolves, rises, undergoes changes. Therefore, gatadivati vikaritvat atmana bhavati ityartha. The next shloka we will see in next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद शरण जी।